Um, Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fictional Brawl. So, combatants for today's fictional brawl are Lex Luthor and Dr. Eggman. So, let's start off with attack potency. Lex Luthor's war suit is on par with Superman, the same Superman who was contributing to the power to create one fourth of the Big Bang. And he is also comparable to Hal Jordan, who was about to create an entire universe. This should put Lex Luthor's war suit at its full power at universal levels of attack potency. Now, as for Doctor Eggman, his he has many devices that are able to keep up with base form Sonic Hedgehog, and base form Sonic Hedgehog has survived attacks from Infinite, the same Infinite who was able to create the Egg Reverie Zone. The Egg Reverie Zone was a universe-sized dimension with distorted time and space. Another evidence to support universal level base Sonic is that he, in his base form, defeated Eraser Jin. Eraser, Eraser Jin was able to destroy the entire Arabian Nights universe and was about to and warped it the universe in its entirety. So this should put base form Sonic at universal level comfortably. Now, as for Eggman, he can be scaled way higher than that, since his device Metal Sonic has been able to fight on par with Super Sonic. Super Sonic was able to defeat Solaris. Solaris was about to cause the destruction of the entire reality and destruction of all timelines. So the entire reality in Sonic would also include the imaginary world, and in the imaginary world there exists a four dimension. It is large enough to contain an entire four-dimensional realm. And since there are alternate timelines in Sonic the Hedgehog, and it was stated by Eggman that Solaris could destroy all those timelines. So you could argue Eggman with Metal Sonic to be into multiversal levels of power. So Eggman would have an attack potency advantage over Lex Luthor, and also many of you might argue that Lex Luthor's mother box would increase his stats, but no. Since the mother box has been utilized in his suit, and the mother box hasn't shown any type of multiversal level feat in the past, so Eggman would comfortably be at multiversal level advantage, and he would also have the attack potency advantage. Now as for speed, Lex Lex Luthor's war suit is able to keep up with Superman. Superman is on par with Green Lantern, and Green Lanterns can cross the entire DC universe in 10 hours. So the calculation for this speed feat comes out to be around 52 quintillion times the speed of light. Now Eggman has many robots in the past which have been able to keep up with base form Sonic. Sonic in his base form has multiple MFTL speeds, but his most impressive speed feat would be from the game Sonic Colors, in which Sonic was in his base form was able to move in a space which had no time and space, which was created by the Time Eater. So this would give Sonic infinite speed. Also, his Metal Sonic is on par with Super Sonic. Super Sonic was as fast as Solaris. Solaris is a super dimensional being that was capable of existing in the past, present, and future simultaneously. So Eggman, via scaling to metals, Eggman given Metal Sonic could have immeasurable speeds, which comes from scaling to Solaris. So Eggman will also have the advantage in speeds. Now as for lifting strengths, Lex Luthor's war suits should again be comparable to Superman. Superman in the past has been able to lift the weight of an entire solar system, so this should put his lifting capacity at solar system level, while Eggman by comparable to Sonic is while Eggman's devices are comparable to Sonic in lifting strength, so he should be around the ranges of large star level lifting capacity, and this large star level lifting capacity comes from a, comes from the calculations that are done by a YouTuber called Christian Kemper. So if you are interested to see in this channel, I will link it down below. Now if you look at the conclusion now as for abilities, Dr. Eggman has a large amount of devices and mechs on his side, while Lex Luthor has only his war suits and other meta-humans and the Everyman project, which grants him superhuman strengths. But we have to also consider the intelligence advantage. Sure, Eggman is a doctor and he is also very smart, but Lex Luthor has outsmarted Brainiac and Batman, and he has even hacked into the Hellbat armor, which is Batman's most advanced suit. So there is a chance that Lex Luthor could possibly and potentially hack into Eggman's armor, or even shut down almost all of his devices. If you look at it, but he would still require some amount of time, but it should be possible for Lex Luthor to do that. Also, Lex Luthor is far more skilled combatant, since even without his armors, he has been able to fight on par with Nightwing and Batman on the same time, proving that he has better martial arts skills. And also his Lex bots are no joke, since they have been able to give trouble to Deathstroke and Joker in the past. So his Lex bots should also be in those large building levels of power. So in the conclusion, the advantages each character possesses are that Eggman with his mechs is more powerful, more durable, and is faster, while Lex Luthor has better abilities, has intelligence advantages, and has better combat experience. So who would win this fight? I think that Eggman will win this fictional brawl, as though it is likely that Lex Luthor could hack into many of his devices, and Metal Sonic has been proven in the past to go rogue against Eggman, but even then Eggman does also possesses other artifacts like the Phantom Ruby and other things, which would also be potentially a big asset in countering Lex Luthor's mother boxes. So this fight would then be evenly matched, and plus Eggman also has experience with other smart person like Tails, so he would also be able to resist the hacking. He would also be resist the hacking done by Lex Luthor. So at the end of the video, I say that Eggman wins this fictional brawl. If you enjoyed my video, please give a like and subscribe, and meet you in another fiction brawl.